Hi, welcome back to PR Tech Talk. In my last video we showed how to make some low power current measurement on the different modes on the MCXA153 board, this one. We then used a current meter on these two wires, the jumper 2. But you can also use this tool, that is the MCU Link PRO, that is from NXP as well. Up here you have a current shunt that you can replace that one, and you then measure the current in this tool. And it also needs a ground wire there. To note, you need to have both powered the board and the J-Link, and you will only use this board now for current measurement, nothing else. So now we have launched the MCUExpresso, so we can just close this form here, and we have the program up and running already here. And what we now need to do is to go under Analysis, and we hit the energy measurement, and we open this window up here. We can make it bigger by double clicking it. We then hit this icon up here to find the probe, and it finds this MCU Link PRO. So we select that one and we hit OK. We then hit the plot window and we start measuring the current. So then we get some current measurement here. We can see roughly 3.3 milliamps, something like that. That is equal to what we saw in the last video as well. So now we can bring in the teraterm window again to change the different run mode. So here we hit B, and then we hit 3 for slow wake up mode. And we see now that the current is going down to very low current here. And we can then hit SW3 again to regain active mode. So we see that the current is coming up. We can move this window a bit down here. And we can then, for instance, go to D, power down mode. And we can also select the slow wake up mode. And then we see that is a different current there. And you also have down here average, what current it has in average, and the minimum axis and the maximum axis here. So this was just a short video on how to make current measurement using the MCU Link PRO. Hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment field. And if you're not a subscriber, please do so. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye.